So we are back here at the DJI store, and I couldn't resist, you know, like I've been filming the last 4 years with my Panasonic G9, which is awesome. It's big and it's high quality, it's micro four thirds. But when you see what DJI has been doing right now, it's, you know, I think Japan must be a little bit nervous right now, because there is a little chance that DJI is the one that has been doing, like putting stuff like this in here. So let's do the unboxing. I'll try to open it up. I just need to find a way how to open this box. Right here. Right. So there it is. This is the combo package. It's 580 euros here in Huaqiangbei in China. All right. Let's open it up. So I'll be doing a lot of street videos and stuff like that. There it is. I'm gonna open the box. So this is what you get in a box. There's a bag. There's a bunch more stuff. Okay, that's the unboxing. And here we're gonna just check. Here we have the case. Okay, so let's check out this bag right here. You see, you can fit everything in this little bag. And this one of the advantages here is, like, you know, it's great to have the option of using microphone input. It's great, but now it's built into the camera, so that makes it even more compact, even more easier to manage. And here it is. So I'll try to do as many videos as possible with this camera going forward. I'm totally looking forward. In 1 week, there's a Panasonic G9 Mark II being available, and I will see if I can afford it, or soon after the reviews and everything, and most importantly, to see if it doesn't overheat. But this is gonna allow for street video. There it is. I will choose English. And I should register it. Device name. Scan the QR code. So I can open my Mimo app and I scan, maybe, I'm not sure how I scan it. We'll see. Oh, I need to scan it. I'll just try to, where should I do it? Maybe here? I need to register. Okay, but so later I can register it right here. Oh, maybe it was there actually. This is the B14F. I'm here. Okay. Okay, accept. All right. So now I'm connected to the phone, and I'll be checking out how it's possible to use the phone to live stream and stuff like that, because it'll be interesting to see if you connect it by a Type-C or if you do it wirelessly somehow. I think it should be probably with a Type-C. So here in the box, I also have, let's just part off normally. See, it goes back into its position. Oh, it want me to register. Right, let's go right here. So at $500 something, you know, it's not too expensive when you compare with the latest cameras. Okay, I haven't set it up. It's not ready to use. Skip. Confirm. I need to update the firmware and stuff like that. Right. So now it is ready. Okay, it's teaching me a little bit how to use all the different modes. I'm gonna directly, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change to 4K 60. Everything I'll be filming in 4K 60 with this. It's filming right now on a DJI Pocket 3. So there you see the quality of face follow, or just straight. I'll be trying to understand how I can focus on the product and then focus on the people and keep like being steady like that. Because there is the face tracking, and I would like to not always use it, right? All right, so right here in the box, also got the little, got this little tripod, and you have little adapter that's I think it has no use at all except it goes on here, right? And then you have this with the mic. Right, this is the mic. Goes in here. So now I have two. And it can connect with two. You know, it supports two mics. So that's mine. I need to not... and as soon as possible, I'll get a second one, of course. I always need two mics. One on the person I interview, one on me behind the camera. And it's all built in right here. All right, so there you have it. This is just 580 euros, $615 here in China. It's launching all over the world. There's all these YouTubers doing reviews. And as I could see on my sample, especially when I was filming out here in the dark, in the night, it was really sharp. This 1-inch sensor has good quality in low light, which is great. All right, so I'll be checking out the autofocus, the phase detect, hopefully it's great. And thanks a lot for watching. That was the unboxing of the Creator Combo Pocket 3. It's my new camera right now. I had the Pocket 1 and now I'm upgrading to the Pocket 3. I'll be filming as much as possible with this. And maybe even live streaming. Let's see if that works. One feature request I'd like to have. I'd like them to make another one of these that has two SIM cards that can bond, that can encode the 4K video to live stream it directly from this package without going through a phone. I don't know if that makes sense. And that might have an extra terabyte of redundant storage, because if I film something important, I really want to have backup. I don't like everything being on one micro SD card that has a 1% chance of failing or something like that. All right, thanks for watching, and thanks DJI for bringing excellent competition to the market. Let's check it out. Okay.